partial probability. Number 1, a box consists of five grape, flavor sweets and 4 strawberry flavor sweets. All the sweets are of the same size. A child chooses at random 4 sweets from the box. Okay, choose 4 sweets from the box. Find the probability that all the sweets are of the same flavor. So find NS. NS is all 9C4. 9C4 is equal to 1 to 6. Then this is even. Let A even all sweets are of the same flavor. So we're going to find N A. Same flavor. Maybe that child choose all grape. So 5C4 and for strawberry 4C0. Okay. Or the boy just choose 4 strawberry out of 4. So total here, okay, 9 sweet, 9, total 9. Then here is 4. So 4. Okay, this is NA. Then see the calculator, find the NA. NA is equal to 6. So we're going to find probability of A. Probability of A is NA over NS, that is over 1 to 6 equal to 0.0476. Okay, done for number part A. For part B, okay, for part B, less than 3 sweets are strawberry flavor. Less than. So B 5 grape and 4 strawberry. Take 4. Okay, less than 3 sweets. Okay, so now do in box. Grape, strawberry, less than. So strawberry 2, 1 or 0. Okay, and for grape, if strawberry 2, for grape is 2, 3, 4. So total here 4. Okay, we have 3 cases. Okay, so for the first case, okay, for this first part, from 5 grape, choose 2. Okay, here. Okay, and from 4 strawberry, choose 2. First case. The second case is from 5 grape, choose 3. And from 4 grape, strawberry, choose 1. And for this part, from 5 grape, choose 5, choose 4, and 4 choose 0. So total here is still 5, 5, 5. Then total taken, actually this is 4, 4, 4. And then find the value. Okay, for the value and total. Okay, plus and plus. And then this is actually N E. B, what is B? B is even. B is even less than 3 sweets are strawberry flavor. Okay. So now we're going to find the value of N of B. So 5 and C2, and then 4 C2, 6B, this is 6, and then plus history is 10 times 4, 40. And then this is 5C4 is 5. Okay, so 105. Okay, to find the probability, P of B, N of B over N of S is equal to 105 over 126. 126 is equal to 105 over 126. Okay, is equal to 0.833. Okay, settle for number 1. For number 2, a group of 1,000 students, girls, boys, were asked if they have Facebook account or not. Of the 40 boys, okay, 300, okay, 300 have Facebook account, 300, okay, and okay, whereas 150 girls do not have Facebook account. Okay, girls don't have no Facebook. Okay, and copy and complete the following table. So, okay, complete this following table. Here, complete. If a student is selected at random, find the probability that a student chosen is a girl or has a Facebook account. Girl or has a Facebook account. Okay, second, a boy and has no Facebook account. Okay, and B, for part B is a different question from part A. Okay, for part B, even two events A and B with PA 0.5, PB was 0.4, probability A intersect B 0.3. Okay, find P A union B, A prime intersect B prime, A prime intersect. We're going to discuss this question.
So the question here has given us a group of 1,000 students, girls and boys, where they asked if they have Facebook accounts or not. And basically they have tabulated the data they've given into this table. But we can also use the hashtag method here. And since we know that since they've given us patches of information like 400 here, 300, 150, and we know the total is 1,000, we can just do the simple maths and fill up the blanks. And then only then we can proceed to question Roman 1 and 2. Farah.
For Roman, it said that student chosen is a girl or has a Facebook account. So we need to do. It said that or, so we need to using P, G, union F. So we get PG plus PF minus PG intersect F. Then we just put the for PG 600 per thousand, and then PF is 715 per thousand, and intersect 415,000, and we get 9 per 10. For 2 Roman, it said that is a boy and has no Facebook account. So and so we need to using P, B intersect N. We get B boy and has no Facebook account. So 100. So 100 per thousand, and we get 1 per 10.
Okay, question B is completely unrelated to the one in question A, where they have given us the probability of getting A is 0.5, B is 0.4, and A intersect B is 0.3. So the first question asks us to find the probability of A union B. So we can use the simple formula of probability A plus probability B minus the intersection of A and B. Do this, you can get 0.6. And the second question is asking us on the probability of A prime intersecting B prime. So we know that we can use the properties where we can take out the primes outside. So we have to change this into A, we have to flip this into union, and this will become B. You get this. And we know that and we have to put the prime outside. So this is actually the same as this. And we know that in order to get this, we can actually do 1 minus A intersect B. So we have already found A intersect B here, 0.6. So 1 minus 0.6 goes to 0.4. The final question is asking us is the probability of A prime intersecting with B. So it's simple. We just have to take the probability of getting B as a whole minus the probability of A intersect B. We will find this. 0.4 minus 0.3 equals 0.1. That's it.
Number 3, given two events A and B such that P of A equals 1 over 5, P of B prime 1 over 3, and probability B given A happen equals 2 over 5. Find P probability A union B. Okay, for A, P A union B using the formula, P combination formula, PA plus PB minus PA intersect B. So now here for this one, okay, you can find a PB. PB is equal to 1 minus P prime. Okay, equal to 1 minus 1 over 3, 2 over 3. Okay, and then we're going to find the PA intersect B here. Okay, so using this one, find PA intersect B. Okay, so PB given A is equal to PB intersect A over PA. And then here this is 2 over 5, and PB intersect A, PA is equal to 1 over 5. Therefore, PB intersect A is equal to 2 over 5 times 1 over 5 is equal to 2 over 25. So using this, substitute here. Okay. Then the next step, okay, PA is 1 over 5 plus 2 over 3 minus okay, minus 2 over 25. Then calculate, okay, 1 over 5, okay, plus 2 over 3 minus 2 over 25 is equal to 59 over 75 or 0.786. Okay, settle for part A. Okay, for part B, okay, find the probability that A prime given B prime. So from here, P A prime or given B prime is equal to P A prime intersect B prime over P B prime. One given P B prime. So we need to find A prime intersect B prime. Okay, here, let's say using the Venn diagram. Diagram to find this. A. Okay, so not A. Not A is equal to all except A. Okay, here. Okay, shade all the region except A. Then for not a B, shade all the region except B. Okay, except B. Here. So now we're going to find the intersection point. So this is the area is Okay, the overlap line here. Okay, this region represent to all A union B. Okay, outside A union B of 1 minus 1 minus. Here is 1 minus P A union B. Okay, union B over B prime. Okay, and then the value from here. Okay, substitute here A union B. So 1 minus 59 over 75. P prime given is 1 over 3. 1 over 3. So 1 over 3. And calculate the answer. Okay. 1 minus 59 over 73. Okay. Over 3. So the answer is 16 over 25. Or 0.6. The answer. Number 4. Every year, two teams, Unggul and Bestari, meet each other in a debate competition. Past results show that a year when Unggul win, the probability of them winning the next year is 0.6. And in a year when Bestari win, the probability of them winning the next year is 0.5. It is not possible for the competition that the result is a tie. Unggul won the competition in 2011. So construct a probability tree diagram for the 3 years up to 2014. B. Find the probability that Bestari will win in 2000. C. If Bestari win in 2014, find the probability that it will be the first win for at least 3 years. D. Assuming that Bestari wins in 2014, find the smallest value of n such that the probability of Unggul wins the debate competition for n consecutive year after 2014 is less than 0.05. Going to discuss number 4.
Soalan pasir nombor 4. Dia kata sini every two teams, Unggul and Bestari meet each other in debate competition. Past result show that in years when Unggul win, the probability of them winning next year is 0.6, and in years where Bestari win, probability of winning next year is 0.5. It is not possible for competition to result in a tie. Unggul win the competition in 2011. So kita akan start dengan 2011. When dikata kat sini Unggul menang. So possibility untuk next year tu tahun 2012 sama ada Unggul ataupun Bestari menang, dia akan jadi macam kat dalam soalan ni dia bagi if Unggul win 2011, probability untuk dia win next year is 0.6. Jadi untuk next year Unggul win dia jadi 0.6 untuk 2012. Dia suruh kat sini, dia suruh construct probability tree for 3 years. Jadi kita construct untuk 2012, 2013, 2014. Jadi kita keluarkanlah kita punya maklumat tu. Jadi macam ni lah dia punya bentuk dia. Sama kat macam ni. Tapi untuk ni kenapa dia jadi 0.5? Sebab dekat soalan dia kata kalau Bestari menang, next probability untuk dia menang next year tu akan jadi 0.5. Jadi bila Bestari menang tahun 2012, possibility untuk dia menang 2013 akan jadi 0.5. Dan begitulah seterusnya. Next.
Okay, next question. Soalan B dia minta Bestari menang, which is only Bestari. Bukan only Bestari, dia macam probability untuk Bestari menang. So from this tree diagram, we can see that we can use this diagram like for U, B, and then U, B. So just darab. using this, and then you got the answer. Tambah semua. Okay kan?
This best story.
Best study, only best study win.
For the third
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Okay. Jadi untuk C ni dia simple sebab dia kata pada 2014 ni Bestari menang first time. Jadi kat sini kita tengok yang mana yang Bestari menang first time. Jadi kat sini kita boleh nampak yang Bestari menang first time adalah yang ni UUB. Jadi kita ambil ni, kita bawa turun. Ni. Lepas tu PUUB kita dah ada maklumat kat atas. PUUB 0.144. Kita keluarkan 0.144. Kita divide dengan total probability dan kita akan dapat jawapan 0.3243.
So, this one kat mana?
Ni PUUB.
Oh.
Ni pun PUUB juga. So 0.144. Ni pun nampak PUUB dia punya possibility 0.44 over total.
What over total? Baca soalan. See? If instead this is conditional. Pen, marker. Kak. If Bestari menang. Kan?
If Bestari menang, di tahun tu mesti 2014.
Bestari menang 2014.
14.
Ini. Oh, that's why the OPB ini. So P Bestari menang 2014.
First time.
So UB over PB, right? Baru betul. Ya, baru betul ni. 0.144 over. Ni conditional lah. Okay, ada if kan? Okay. Lagi? Okay, settle.
If, assuming that Bestari win in 2014, find the smallest value of n such that the probability of Unggul wins the debate competition for n consecutive years after 2014 is less than 0.05. So the 3 is like right, 2011 Unggul Bestari, and this one Unggul and Bestari. 2012, 2013, 2014. Okay, so now here. Okay, and then the smallest value of n such that the probability Unggul wins the debate for n consecutive. So Unggul win, okay, first, second, third, fourth, and then the probability is actually 0.6, 0.6, 0.6, 0.6 until how many? Maybe 1, 2, 3, or until 0.6 n times. Okay, so the probability is less than 0.05. Okay, so we don't know how many years. Okay, so this is first, second, third, fourth, and so on. Okay, so this is the one by taking log blue side and log 0.6, log 0.05. Actually, if you find the value for log, okay, log 0.6 is equal to negative. So negative 0.22, okay, 2n less than log 0.05, also negative 1.0306. So in that case, let's change the sign. Okay, 0.222n more than 1.301 and more than 1.301 over 0.2. Find the value. Okay, now 6. Okay, 1.301 divided by 0.222 is equal to 5.86. Okay, 5.86. Now let's say if you change to number line, okay, 586, and n is more than, greater than, n is more than, okay, here's the one, n is more than 586. So the question asks us to find the smallest value n. So the smallest value n is in here. Okay, here is the smallest value 6, 7 and 2 infinity. So the answer is n is equal to 6. Okay, settle for this number. Number 5, 5A. The box contains 5 red ball and 3 yellow ball. 2 balls are drawn in random. Find the probability that both balls are yellow of different color. B. A population of 40 women in the Surya village is divided into 3 categories as shown in the diagram 1 below. Okay. W. Working women. E. Women in university graduates. M. Married women. Okay. Take the value of X. Okay, X here. Okay. And hence, if a woman is selected at random, find the probability that she is not working. He is a university graduate and working. He is not a university graduate, is working and is not married. We're going to discuss this number.
Yes, ni pasal nombor 5. Soalan, okay, untuk first soalan 5A. Soalan 5A, dia kata a box contains 5 red balls and 3 yellow balls. Then 2 balls are drawn randomly. Find the probability that both balls are yellow and of different colours. Okay, first kita kena cari the total one. So tadi kan ada 5 red and 3 yellow, so 8 total. Tapi dia kata 2 balls are drawn randomly, tu pilih 2, so this is the total 28. Then soalan first dia tanya probability of yellow colour. First means kalau yellow colour maknanya kita akan pilih yellow saja. So total yellow akan pilih 2, akan dapat 3. Then kita, so based on this kita boleh cari probability untuk yellow 3/28. Untuk second, untuk 2 Roman dia nak different colours. So kalau different colours ada dua tempat saja. So maknanya daripada total red pilih 1 dan yellow pun pilih 1, akan dapat 15. From that kita akan bilangan total both colour dengan total kedua-dua colour. So 15/28 untuk 5A. So untuk 5B dia kata a population of 40 women in Surya village is divided into 3 categories shown in diagram 1. Iaitu G ni means graduated woman, married woman dengan working woman. So ini dalam Venn diagram dalam soalan tu. Total woman dekat Surya village tu ada 40. So soalan first dia minta first soalan tu suruh state the value of x. So value of x total ni kita tambah semua. Lepas kita dah jumlah semua, kita tolak ni 40 tolak dengan bilangan semua dalam diagram ni akan dapat 11. 11 tu 11 orang tu maknanya dia graduated, married dengan woman. Okay. Then untuk first Roman, dia suruh minta probability of she is not working, wanita yang tak bekerja. Then from diagram ni kita boleh nampak yang perempuan yang tak bekerja ada 8, 4, 6 dan juga 2, termasuk juga yang kat luar ni. So kita dengan total 40 orang, so probability dia 1/2. Then second Roman, dia minta she is university graduate and working. Graduate and working. So graduate and working kita ada 4 X ni 11 lah. 11 saya tadi graduate and working. So 4 tambah 11 lepas tu per dengan total akan mendapat probability 38. Then third Roman dia minta she is not graduate, lepas tu sedang bekerja is working and not married. So based on ni kita boleh nampak yang satu ni je yang not graduate tapi working and then dia sedang and dia tak married. So 1/40 itu je. Yeah.